Okay.
Hi everyone. I'd like to say thank you for your message. I'd like to thank you, Shira, and all the girls for your encouragement. It's true that we were discouraged by the government officers, but I think you have encouraged us a lot, and we hope that God will help us in whatever situation we get through. And what we would like to ask you is just to pray for us, and God will help us. And also another thing which I want to tell you, that the villagers are now, they want their land, and they gave us 30 days, but I think that will be solved soon. So we also pray to God that will be with us in that situation. And what I would like to encourage you, that you need really to study hard, because you've got the chance. You need to use it. For example, us now, we really wish we could be there already, but we cannot make it. It's really getting hard and hard to come there, but we hope God will help us, and if God willing, we will be there. That's all. Bye.